everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our brand new walk-in boxes. This is going to be a 6x10 walk-in box. The height on this box, you're looking at 8 feet. Okay, the box will be included with a floor. Okay, so you will be included with that floor. It'll be all uninstalled, but this is how it's going to look once it's installed already. Okay, now I want to go ahead and show you the inside. And I also want to show you the parts here, okay? So you will be provided with all necessary parts needed for the walk-in box for you to install it. Okay, there is a switch on there as well that you will go ahead and install right here. Okay, we'll go right there, which will be for lighting. Okay, so you can add lighting on the inside of this walk-in box. Okay, now I want to go ahead and measure the doorway here, or the door thickness. Door thickness, you're looking at 4 inches. Okay, the width 32 inches, and the door height, the door entry height here, you're gonna be looking at a total of 71 inches high. Okay, so that's measurement for this door here. Now we walk in, as you can see, we're gonna go ahead and measure the inside for you as well. The width, you're looking at a total of 64 inches of the width, front to back. You're going to be looking at a total of 113 inches. Okay, 113. Height, you're looking at a total of 88 inches on the inside. Okay, so that's going to be the height for this walk-in box. Okay, you can use this for either refrigeration or as a freezer. Okay, as you can see on the video, it does look all white. Now that's just going to be a protective peel-off sticker. You can go ahead and take this sticker off once you install the unit. Okay, the unit's going to be all metal. Okay, but you can go ahead and peel this sticker off once you receive or install the unit. Okay, also one other thing, once you go ahead and install and put all the pieces together, make sure to add silicone on all these lines right here. You want to go ahead and add the silicone on the outer as well as the inner. Make sure that you go ahead and seal that and make sure it puts all together firmly. Okay, so this is going to be our 6x10 walk-in box. The height is 8 feet. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact size. We'll also have other sizes available on the website, so go ahead and check them out. If you have any other questions regarding this size or maybe another size, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.